Hi Tracy. So I said I would try to make you a video how to sharpen the blades, the carving blades, the spoon blades. And I was speaking about the bevel needing to be straight for the first 2.5–3 millimeters. So just to see, it's not a new knife anymore. This knife is made by Hans Karlsson. He's a very known Swedish tool maker. Very, very desirable. If you can see, the first bevel is very flat. Okay, and then there is another bevel right after, and they are a little blended, but at the beginning it's straight. So when I'm carving, I'm supposed to keep it flat like the manufacturer designed it. And the reason is, if it's not straight, if it's straight, flat, then I can go in the wood very shallow. I can go in the wood, but the more it is convex, the bevel, the bigger the angle needs to be before I can go into the wood. And also I lose my guiding bevel because the flat helps me to keep a bevel line as well as a continuous line. So this one is another blade made by Belzebucraft, by Miguel from Portugal. Here also you can see the bevel at the beginning is very, very, very straight. Okay, I think you can see it now. So this one has a hollow inside, but I just sharpened it completely from the inside. So now I do have a burr on the outside that I need to remove. So I told you I would try to make a video on how I carve the outside bevel. So one simple way is to use these sandpapers. This is actually a diamond coated sandpaper. I bought it from Nick Westerman on his web Union. They are very good. They hold a very long time. And the sticker is good. So take a piece of wood. I don't need bigger than that for what I do now because I just need the control. Peel it. Okay, I stick it to the wood. And basically what I need to do is to find the right angle and go with it. And I try to keep it as flat as I can. The flatter, the better. What I want to avoid is rounding over the bevel. So when you are using leather, the thing with leather, if it's a thick one, so when you press it squeezes and then it is rounding over. So the paper, I stick to a piece of wood. This is a hardwood and not to leather. If I stick it to leather or I put a leather under, it will just bend with the pressure and made a convex edge. So for strop, I have this. This is, by the way, also from Nick Westerman. It's just a piece of plywood. A very, very, very thin piece of leather is glued to it. You can barely see it. And because it's so thin, it's hardly flexible at all. So it's quite hard. So I can just go like this. There is a compound on it. And I can just go like this, keeping it straight. And for me, the easiest is, it's a huge blade, but each time it's comfortable to work on a specific place, to keep it consistent on a specific place. Now I want to do this section here, for example. I will change everything and have a good setup for this area. And like this I will move along, and if you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite consistent. I didn't change the angle, it stayed flat. So it takes some skill, which you definitely have, no problem, but you should keep it flat. So another option, that was the first one. Another option is to put the strobe or the sandpaper on the table and move the knife. And even that small pass remove the burr. Never mind. So just keep the angle. You can see the burr removed. Okay. So keep the level same. Okay. Okay, I hope it was clear. For the inside, what I use is, this is like a dowel, a wooden dowel, hard, quite hard, not too much. It's the same type of sandpaper, diamond coated. They have good stickers, so they stick on, and with this I can easily go on the inside and sharpen. The good thing about the rail, because there are two of them, and it's enough to put a pressure and you touch both rails, so it's very easy to sharpen from the inside. And if I don't need to sharpen, just to stroke, then it will be enough to take a dowel, put some compound on it, and just do on the inside, and this will keep the knife sharp, and then I don't need to sharpen it so much and deal with the burr. So I hope it's helpful. Bye bye.